Chris Jibril Islam. He is my brother. Brother means he is my own brother. I already discussion with Chris about my coming poet Rajkumari, the princess.
Rajkumari,
Yeah.
princess.
Just tell me about your dream, the princess. What you want about my book, or your any suggestion, any advice? Because you have also one princess.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's why you told me.
So I just recently found out that my brother is going to write a book. So he has many talents. One of the talents is that he's a poet. So Rajkumari is the title of
yes.
it. And so we're actually in front of the castle where many princesses already resided, I guess. And so it's a perfect place to make this announcement for your book. And I'm looking forward to read it. I'm 100% sure that it will be a very, very good book, because he already wrote some poets about our family. So if they're in the same manner, it will be perfect. Maybe one advice, don't make it too long, because nowadays people don't have much attention. So if you want it to sell, maybe not too long. How many pages is it going to be?
It will be total 84 pages.
This is totally fine. And it's in Bangla, right?
Yeah, in Bangla, right.
So
In Bangla.
I still have to learn Bangla to learn it, but maybe you also going to do it.
Yeah, next time when you come in Bangladesh, definitely by hope you will complete speak in Bangla.
Or maybe next time you'll have a translation of the
Yeah,
book.
definitely.
That might be also the case. So I'll encourage everyone who sees this video to buy this book from my brother and to read it. I guess everyone who has a princess, read it out loud to your princess. She will fall in love with you again. Okay.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। সবাই আসলে আমার যে কামিং যে বই আসতেছে রাজকুমারী, আশা করছি এবছরের শেষ নাগাদ রাজকুমারীটা সবার হাতে পৌঁছে দিতে পারবো। সেই পর্যন্ত শুভকামনা রইল। সিরাজুল হক।
Bye bye.